Hello, dear students. We will continue our topic of gene coding. We will continue lecture number 22 of cell and molecular biology, the coding sequence of DNA. How DNA code, it's a sequence for forming the new strand, because if the strand is 5 3 then its a template is or newly formed stand is 3 to 5 and it makes its matching of the codes and anticodes, because A, T or adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine are finding their own pairings and new strand is formed. This is the one thing. Second thing, on each strand there is a site for promoting the activity of gene, then non-template strand, RNA coding sequence, terminator point. In this way there are different codes or different sites of coding the sequence of DNA. So this picture is giving the idea of this chromosome strand having both 5 3 and 3 5 strands are there of DNA. Then this DNA has different locations or different spots to which we call this. Suppose this is one gene, then this gene have their one promoter site and one terminator site. So promoter site starts the coding and terminator site ends the coding to form the new strand, and non-template strand is this and template strand is 3 5 This is as usual, and the central place where RNA coding sequence is arranged, or we can say new sequence is formed. During that, this site is left side is upstream of gene and this one is the downstream of gene, because the new strand on the along with the template strand is formed from this direction, 3 to 5 direction, and therefore this picture is giving the idea of coding sequence on DNA. Now, mechanism of transcription. We have seen transcription and translation, which are the main processes through which the protein synthesis takes place or carried out. So mechanism of transcription. Transcription is carried out through 4 stages. That is, initiation means beginning, elongation means extension, and termination, it stops the activity. So initiation is the one thing or the site on the DNA strand from where the RNA nucleotide is transcribed, is called as initiation site. Means the location from where the RNA nucleotide is transcribed to form the new one or to continue the process of synthesis, is that point is called as initiation site. The beginning of transcription. The beginning of transcription forms the bubble-like widening or unwinding of DNA strand and forms a RNA polymerase binding site on the template DNA. I think that we have seen in previous diagram. Somewhere we have seen it. Yes, this is the chromosome strand which bulges, forming a bubble-like structure here, and again continue. And around that, this is the RNA polymerase site from where the activity of this formation of new strand is going on. So this is the way or mechanism. So RNA polymerase binds to the part of DNA of the gene on specific region is called as promoter gene. Where the activity of this RNA polymerase binding takes place, that site or that region or that part is known as promoter part, that we have already seen in previous diagram. This is the beginning site and this is the ending site, termination site. So this part is called as promoter site, from where the coding is start. The promoter informs the RNA for specific binding to initiate the transcription. Each gene in bacteria has its own promoter which contains DNA sequence, which allows RNA polymerase to attach to the DNA for the processing of transcription. In eukaryotes, the main RNA polymerase does not directly attaches to the promoter, but the helper protein molecules, generally called as transcriptional factors, attaches first to the site and helping the RNA polymerase to attach to the DNA. So this is the different activity that occurs in eukaryotes. Means the helper proteins are there called as transcriptional factors. Whereas in bacteria or prokaryotes, the simple attachment is directly there. The sequence of promoters in eukaryotic cell, generally called as TA box, and the TA, or we can say Tata box, simply thymine adenine box. The TA box plays key role and the recognized by the general transcriptional factor helps in binding of RNA polymerase. That we have already seen, but here in figure 4 this is also shown that TA site or promoter site. So T is combining with A, that is thymine is pairing with adenine. So upper adenine is pairing with thymine. So thymine is pairing with adenine, and all these three adenines are pairing with all three thymines. So this is the way. Therefore, this is called as TA site, because the beginning are TA at the promoter site, and 5' 3' upper and 3' 5' lower. This is the structure of the strand and the transcription starting site. From here the transcription starts. Therefore, this is called as TA box after the promoter site. So this is the ball which is RNA polymerase enzyme ball, and one after one they are forming one by one and continually forming the one and either molecule of the protein. So this is the transcriptional factor 2, 3, 4, and likewise they are different factors. So this is the initiation of transcription. This is diagrammatically presented. Elongation. Now the chain is formed continuously, that is elongation. You can see here the elongation by adding of nucleotide transcription. This is the addition is continually going on and elongation of the chain is continuous. This is as usual RNA polymerase. This is the coding strand and this is the new strand of RNA, or we can say basal original is the template strand and this is the newly formed strand. This is 3', 5', therefore this is 5', 3', therefore the complementary strand is there. Elongation. The process of elongation starts after RNA polymerase comes in position to promoter site for attachment. This is the RNA polymerase, and therefore this site is the promoter site. Elongation in a transcription is a stage when RNA strands elongates by addition of new nucleotide. Suppose TA box is there or Tata box is here. If TA is there, adenine is joining with that. If A is there, thymine is joining with that. So in this way, thymine and adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine, likewise all the pairing is continually going on and new strand is formed. So elongation in a transcription is a stage when RNA strands elongate by addition of new nucleotides, and RNA polymerase processed on the DNA template strand. This is the DNA template strand on the RNA strand at 3' end. So if it is 3', 5' end, another is 5', 3' end is formed. The RNA transcript means the beginning starts at the 3' end. This is the one more important thing. The RNA transcript is nearly identical to the non-template or coding strand of DNA. On RNA strand, the base pairs shows the U, that is uracil, instead of T, that is thymine, because instead of thymine there is uracil on RNA strand and thymine is on DNA strand. Therefore, this DNA strand, when forms a new RNA strand, instead of thymine, uracil is there, as well as some different sugars in their nucleotide setting. You can see here, this is a simple formation of new strand where new sugar molecules and amino acids are setting, or we can say these base pairs are setting. Termination. When the RNA polymerase is formed completely, then it is important to terminate it, the sequence, then the complete RNA strand is formed. So termination. During transcription, RNA polymerase continues transcribing unless and until the signal of stop is received. As soon as the RNA polymerase gets a signal to stop the transcription, known as termination, means there is a signal biochemically sent by the elements to the RNA or RNA polymerase, and that then it stops the forming. Okay, so we will concise here today's speech, then continue later on.